Well, welcome back to One Correct News as we continue on. Now, it's obvious many people don't follow politics, they don't follow what's going on in current events. They just don't. They don't know what the New York Stock Exchange look like or what ringing the bell and all these things mean when they go public. People got too many problems right in front of their face, like paying their bills. How they gonna make the rent this month? These the type of things that matter, right? These are the things that go through people's head when they see this stuff. They go like, you know what? This is a problem. But other people, other families who take time to invest in different products and different ideas, listening to people who they believe can help better finance their economy. Well, those are the people who are mostly affected by what's going on. The people whose social security numbers are actually valid because they voted for this. The White House have had problems, and whenever they have problems, it's never their fault. They like to blame and deflect. So, of course, the market is tumbling right now. And who do they rip? The Fed. See, they feel like this, right? And here's Trump. This is what President Trump had to say. The only problem is our economy it has is the Fed. They don't have a feel for the market. They don't understand necessary trade wars or strong dollars or even Democrat shutdowns over border. Now, Mushnick, who's the guy Trump put in charge, said that he has spoken with the heads of the country's six largest banks, and they told them they have ample liquidity to keep lending. Almost no one was worried about this until Mushnick said he was monitoring it during time away from a vacation in Mexico. Now, he said he would be on the phone Monday with groups of the top known people from the PPT. Used to be known as the President's Working Group on Financial Markets. Now they're the Plunge Protection Team. This group hasn't been very active since 2008 and 2009 when the nation was in a massive financial crisis. So now what you're looking at is the economists. Why are they calling all these people now? I thought everybody was good. Everything was liquidity. They can keep loaning money. They don't not to worry. But the last time we seen these people, it was a time to worry. If you wanted to create a financial market volatility, this is how you would do it. Now the Treasury Secretary is in that game. And you got Mushnick and all the rest of these guys trying to reassure the world that everybody's doing fine, but the damage has been done. The markets are continuing to slide, and now Mushnick's statement is that they either made a mistake or he knows something few others don't know. But this is not going to help the Republicans when it comes down to the election polls, because now those people that voted for you, those people who put their money in hard trust, that money's evaporating. And that's one way to lose voters, is to lose their money. Now, on top of that, there are fires already burning in the financial markets and the economy that are related to uncertainty. This simply pours jet fuel into the certain statement about bank rates. See, the stock market, they have this like half a day Monday thing. And if anybody feel like the index is sharply different by any margin, the SP 500, mostly US stock index, the bear markets, and all of this stuff that's completely confusing to everybody. But they're saying if you measure from September 20th to December 24th, the market is down 19.78%, which is just shy of an official bear market. NASDAQ already been there. And the Dow is very close. So the White House is in panic mode trying to fix this because they know their investors, everybody who voted for them, are in this boat. Now, what they're believing is growth is likely to hit 3% this year, the best since 2006, and the job market is the strongest since 2000, if not before. But unemployment is the lowest it's been in nearly 50 years. Even wages finally look a little better in many industries after a few years, if any raises. Yet Trump is focused on stocks, which are often divorced from the real economy. See, Obama went against this back back in like 2010 when he was trying to fix all this crap that was dumped on his lap. Now the risk for Trump in the chaos of trying to deal with it is the market spilling over into the real economy and businesses and consumers and all those people who voted, all their money start fading away. Then you're going to start seeing things like Federal Reserve cuts for the US economy. You're going to start seeing a whole lot of different things roll out, financial plans to try to make things work so that those voters are not losing a lot. Anyway, this has been One Crack News. I'm out. Y'all tell me what you think. Some of you guys might care, others might not. But it's what's going on in the world.